How do you get a completely independent power system in your camper van or motorhome? Catch you inside.
RevelatorAlf.
Hello, welcome to RevelatorAlf. I hope you're all well in these testing times. So this video is all about getting an independent 12 volt and 230 volt main supply in your camper van, your motorhome, your car, whatever it is, and to do it basically on the cheap. So when I bought this motorhome, I really had it in mind, obviously, to make it a motorcycle motorhome, and I really needed to power or charge power tools if I was going to work on the bike and I'm away somewhere, or power washers, that kind of thing. So I really needed an independent power supply system that was away from the leisure battery or the vehicle battery, especially if that was going to drain those. But also I needed something that I would be powering whilst I'm driving along, and this is what I've come up with. Now I must also add, the reason I'm doing this, because with motorhomes especially, I don't know about camper vans per se, but motorhomes, the electrical system is disconnected whilst you're driving along to the rear, so there's no power to the rear habitation part of it, and I think that's an industry standard here in the UK at least. If you know better, then please let us know in the comments below. So actually I wanted this separate independent power system which I could power things or charge things, whatever, as I was driving along. Okay, so this is my solution. So I already had a leisure battery, as you can see there. That's all hooked up very basically to a 12 volt outlet socket, which I'll show you now. I've run the wiring up through the floor, round the back, round the roof, and it comes to this 12 volt socket here. This 12 volt socket will either power this 12 volt bank here, or it can power my inverter. So that inverter will go in there, or the power will go in there. I have tried to power this bank and the inverter at the same time, and as soon as you start drawing power from it, it doesn't like it. So it's basically too much. So basically the battery will only go onto the inverter or to the power bank. That power bank, that 12 volt power bank, also has a USB outlet. This inverter already has a USB outlet as well, so I can use power things from here. It's only 1200 watts. I don't really need a big one. It's only for charging batteries, that kind of thing. That's what I'll be using it for. So there we go. So to charge everything independently, I can have all my batteries in here, or tools or whatever, power tools that need charging, and it all comes from that socket, which will either power that 12 volt distribution board there, as it were, or this inverter here. Simples. Okay, so the inverters cost about £30, something like that. The 12 volt cigar lighter extension lead is only a few pounds as well. All the links in the description, or go to the products links page on the website as well, and you'll see where I bought them as well, but you can get them from anywhere. So this is really just a very simple solution, just a bit of homemade wiring to that 12 volt outlet socket, and there we go, just connect it all up. Now all I need to do is charge that battery. Now I can either do it with a battery charger, so whilst I'm on a campsite on electrical hookup, I can just power a battery charger and just hook it up there. Or actually what I'm planning on doing long term is to get a solar panel on the top, and that will feed with a dual battery solar controller, and that's going to charge this leisure battery and also the other leisure battery as well. So basically I have two batteries, two independent batteries being charged at the same time by the sun. Right, anyway, hope you found that useful. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, like and share. Check out the website RevelatorAlf.com. But I think I found a solution, a very simple solution for charging all my tools, all the batteries for my tools, if I need to work on my motorbike whilst I'm out and about on the motorhome. Catch you again. Ta-da.